Welcome to the Swedish massage series for the back. You're going to start with effleurage, covering the whole back with a broad palm. Now this could be just a full palm effleurage covering the whole back up into the posterior neck, or this could be your bilateral tree stroke, or you can kind of mix them together. Just make sure you cover the entire area that you will be working. You'll move to one side, depending on what side you want to start on. Effleurage down to the low back and start with your shingling. And a little bit of circular effleurage on the shoulder. This is your circular friction up the erectors. You want to circle away from the spine. These tools can be interchanged, so you can use fingertips or knuckles or soft open fist. Next up is stripping of the QL. Now, this can be done either superiorly or inferiorly, whatever the client needs particularly. If their QL is shortened, you most likely want to work inferiorly, but if you're focusing on circulation and blood flow, then make sure you work superiorly. Once again, these techniques can be interchanged with open loose fist, knuckles, fingertips. Once you're done stripping the QL, you're going to work into a two-handed circular patrissage to the whole back in a nice deep horse stance. Then you'll move into your 3-count stroke of the trapezius and any scapula mobilizations you may want to do. You want to patrissage the upper trap and neck. And then you'll move into your circular friction, stripping, any open fist, forearm work that you want to do in the upper back, rhomboids, any specific places you found tension. Once again, tools can be interchanged between fingertips, knuckles, open loose fist. This is just effleurage with the forearm to transition. You can even do a little bit of open loose fist effleurage. And it'll do your horizontal stroke up the back to finish. and effleurage to transition to the other side. Starting once again with shingling. You want to do this at least 3 times. Remember to include the lateral side of the body. Circular friction up the erectors. Remember to circle away from the spine. Stripping to the QL. You'll see that I switched directions in order to lengthen the QL for the client. Effleurage to the upper back. Circular effleurage around the shoulder. Three count stroke to the trapezius. Two-handed circular petrissage to the whole back. Remember to really use your hips and not your shoulders. Three count stroke to the trapezius. You'll see that I mix it up a little bit on the second side. Petrissage to the upper trap and neck. This is where you can add in circular friction, stripping, open loose fist, and forearm work to any of those tight tension areas. effleurage to transition. Effleurage the entire back. And you're all finished.